Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A94, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to this phone. So as you can probably see based on the name, I'll be using tempered glass for a different phone, but it is going to fit on this one. So as you can see, it's basically perfect. It doesn't have the cutout for the camera, but truth be told, I don't really care. I do have a wide plethora of glasses, as you can see, so I'm just using whatever fits right here. So that's why I'm not using exactly one that is designed for this phone, but the process still applies. Anyway, so obviously you will have a tempered glass that most likely is fitted for your device, meaning it will also have a hole punch camera in it to accommodate for this obviously selfie camera, but I don't, so bear with me. Anyway, inside of the package, apart from the tempered glass, you should also get, there we go, the wet and dry wipes. So truth be told, you can use them if you want to, or you can just eat them and utilize something like a microfiber cloth, like I have one right here. The reason I say this is because if you actually look at these wipes, you can see that they are absolutely enormous. There we go, that's the entire wipe, so not much more to it. And so number one, the size of them is just absolutely a joke, and number two, sometimes when you grab a wet wipe, it's dry because it's been laying for a while. So this one is actually wet, which you can see right here, but like I said, I've encountered ones that were just dry. Now, anyway, so like I mentioned, I'll be using a microfiber cloth for this. I just prefer it more. So to get started, you will want to clean off the display. So any kind of smudges, dust particles, get rid of them. Obviously, if you have some scratches like I do on the display, which you can see them right here, you will not be able to get rid of those, obviously. So just try to clean it off as much as you can. So once your display is cleaned, you can then, or we can then prepare for the next step. Now, before I actually do anything, I'm just going to quickly tell you how I apply my tempered glass, and if you have your own way, that's fine, you can utilize it. Obviously, watching this, you probably don't, so yeah. So anyway, the way I apply tempered glass is if I have a glass that does have a hole punch camera or a kind of like a notch, I would first align it with the camera. So that would be, I'll be starting from the top side of the phone. I would place it at an angle once I peel off the sticky layer, and then just try to align it with the camera, and then while pinching the display and then trying to pinch the actual glass itself as well, I would keep it centered so it's evenly placed from left and right side of the phone by pinching it. And all I would do then is slowly lower it down, and also the same way pinching the display and the bezels of the phone, I would make sure that it's aligned straight. So there is like the bezel spaces are evenly spaced, and basically placing it down, drop it, and it should glue itself to the screen. So there we go, that's how I will do it. So now to get actually started, let's peel off the protective layer, which will be just rip this off, and you're left with tempered glass. And you can see it's kind of sticking to the display right now. And there we go, it's now fully applied. So I did kind of apply it a little bit too low. As you can see, the display is kind of sticking a little bit out here, and then it's coming on the bezel, but anyway, it still functions, no problem, so no big deal here. But that is how you can apply your tempered glass, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.